Hey there, and welcome to the Interview channel. If you're preparing for an ETL testing interview, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're diving into part 1 of our ETL testing interview series. Whether you're a fresher just starting out or looking to brush up on your skills, this video is packed with 25 essential questions and top-notch sample answers to help you stand out in your interview. So, grab your notebook and let's get started with these must-know ETL testing questions. Question 1. What is ETL testing? Sample answer. ETL testing stands for Extract, Transform, and Load Testing. It involves validating data at every stage of the ETL process, ensuring that data is extracted correctly from the source, transformed according to business requirements, and loaded into the target system without any loss or corruption. Help feed children in need by subscribing to Interview channel. Your subscription can change lives. We donate a portion of our proceeds to this vital cause. Subscribe and like our videos now, and let's build a brighter future together. Stay tuned for the second question. Question 2. Why is ETL testing important? Sample answer. ETL testing is important because it ensures data integrity, accuracy, and completeness in data warehousing processes. It helps in identifying any discrepancies or data quality issues early, preventing faulty data from affecting decision-making. Question 3. What are the key challenges in ETL testing? Sample answer. Some key challenges include dealing with large volumes of data, managing different data formats, ensuring data accuracy, handling complex business rules during transformation, and testing data across multiple sources and destinations. Question 4. What is data validation in ETL testing? Sample answer. Data validation in ETL testing involves verifying that the data is accurate, complete, and consistent between the source and target systems. It ensures that the transformation logic has been applied correctly and that there are no data mismatches. Question 5. What are the different types of ETL testing? Sample answer. ETL testing can be broadly categorized into 5 types: production validation testing, source-to-target testing, transformation testing, data quality testing, and performance testing. Question 6. Explain the difference between ETL testing and database testing. Sample answer. ETL testing focuses on validating the data flow from source to target through the ETL process, ensuring that data is accurately extracted, transformed, and loaded. Database testing, on the other hand, involves testing database integrity, schema, tables, triggers, and other database components, ensuring the database is functioning correctly. Question 7. What tools are commonly used for ETL testing? Sample answer. Some popular ETL testing tools include Informatica, Talend, QuerySurge, Apache JMeter, and Selenium. These tools help automate and manage ETL testing processes efficiently. Question 8. How do you validate data transformation logic in ETL? Sample answer. To validate data transformation logic, you compare the data in the source and target systems after transformation. You check if the business rules and logic have been correctly applied and ensure that the data in the target system matches the expected output. Question 9. What is data reconciliation in ETL testing? Sample answer. Data reconciliation is the process of ensuring that the data loaded into the target system matches the source data. It involves checking record counts, data totals, and specific field values to ensure data consistency and accuracy. Question 10. What are some common bugs found in ETL testing? Sample answer. Common bugs in ETL testing include data loss, incorrect data mapping, transformation errors, truncated data, incorrect data types, and performance issues like slow data load times. Question 11. What is incremental load testing in ETL? Sample answer. Incremental load testing involves testing the ETL process where only the data that has changed since the last ETL run is extracted, transformed, and loaded. It ensures that new and updated data is accurately processed without affecting existing data. Question 12. How do you handle errors in ETL testing? Sample answer. Handling errors in ETL testing involves identifying, logging, and reporting errors for further analysis. You also need to ensure that proper error handling mechanisms are in place within the ETL process to capture and manage exceptions effectively. Question 13. What is ETL performance testing? Sample answer. ETL performance testing focuses on evaluating the performance of the ETL process under various conditions. It includes testing the speed of data extraction, transformation, and loading, as well as the scalability and reliability of the ETL system. Question 14. Explain the concept of a data warehouse and its significance in ETL testing. Sample answer. A data warehouse is a centralized repository of integrated data from multiple sources, designed to support business analysis and decision-making. In ETL testing, it's crucial to ensure that data is correctly and efficiently loaded into the data warehouse, maintaining data accuracy and integrity. Question 15. How do you perform data quality checks in ETL testing? Sample answer. Data quality checks involve validating the accuracy, completeness, consistency, and reliability of data at each stage of the ETL process. It includes checks for duplicate records, null values, data type mismatches, and conformity to business rules. Question 16. What is the difference between full load and incremental load in ETL? Sample answer. Full load involves loading the entire dataset from the source to the target system every time the ETL process runs. Incremental load, on the other hand, only loads the data that has changed or been added since the last ETL run, which is more efficient for large datasets. Question 17. What are slowly changing dimensions, SCD, and how do you test them in ETL? Sample answer. Slowly changing dimensions, SCD, are dimensions in data warehousing that change slowly over time. Testing SCDs involves verifying that historical data is accurately maintained, and the changes are correctly captured in the target system according to the defined SCD type, Type 1, Type 2, or Type 3. Question 18. What is a staging area in ETL? Sample answer. A staging area in ETL is a temporary location where data is stored before it is transformed and loaded into the target system. It acts as a buffer and helps in managing data quality and transformation processes more effectively. Question 19. Explain the term data lineage in the context of ETL testing. Sample answer. Data lineage refers to the tracking of data from its origin through all the steps of the ETL process to its final destination. In ETL testing, understanding data lineage is crucial for tracing errors, understanding data transformations, and ensuring data integrity. Question 20. How would you perform ETL testing in an agile environment? Sample answer. In an agile environment, ETL testing is done in sprints alongside development. It involves continuous integration, frequent testing, and quick feedback cycles. Testers work closely with developers and business analysts to ensure that ETL processes are tested and refined iteratively. Question 21. What is the significance of end-to-end testing in ETL? Sample answer. End-to-end testing in ETL involves validating the complete ETL process from data extraction to loading into the target system. It ensures that the data flow works seamlessly across all stages and that the final output meets the business requirements. Question 22. What role does SQL play in ETL testing? Sample answer. SQL is essential in ETL testing for writing queries to validate data at different stages of the ETL process. It's used to check data integrity, perform data comparisons, validate transformations, and ensure that the data loaded into the target system is accurate. Question 23. How do you ensure data security in ETL testing? Sample answer. Ensuring data security in ETL testing involves implementing strict access controls, encrypting sensitive data during transmission, masking or anonymizing data where necessary, and following best practices for data handling and storage. Question 24. What is metadata and why is it important in ETL? Sample answer. Metadata is data that describes other data, providing context and meaning. In ETL, metadata includes information about data sources, transformations, and destinations. It's crucial for understanding the structure, definitions, and lineage of data, aiding in ETL testing and troubleshooting. Question 25. What are the common performance bottlenecks in ETL processes? Sample answer. Common performance bottlenecks in ETL processes include slow data extraction due to network or database issues, inefficient transformations, lack of indexing in target databases, and inadequate hardware resources. Identifying and optimizing these areas is key to improving ETL performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Share your thoughts and any additional questions you might have in the comments below.